Alright guys, I'm out here with the Wimius. I just had this little idea and I wanted to try this out real quick, just for a minute. There's the optical flow sensor right there. I want to cover up the optical flow sensor with black tape, just to see how this thing would act. I have no idea what's going to happen. I just ran right out here because it's getting ready to rain. So I just wanted to come out here and just to see. I have no idea what's going to happen. Okay, we have no clue. Okay, so we're going to try it. And anything could be better than the way it flies naturally. I don't see it doing anything different, to be honest with you. I see it drifting around like crazy. I think that's probably because I have the optical flow tightened up. So yeah, I'm doing everything I can to pull it back. So I probably got it all confused. It's probably wondering what the shit's going on. Why is this? What's happening? Okay, why can't I see? Okay, so I'm imagining that's what's happening. I'll try calibrating it again. I don't know, man, this thing. There it is in the higher rate, and here comes some guy so his dog can shit where I'm walking around, so. It's drifting away. Yeah, it won't sit still for shit. I'm gonna try that 360 button again. Well, I had to cancel that 360. So I guess covering up that optical flow sensor isn't doing anything except making it confused. Okay, so let me take the tape off. The video's still running. I'm going to take the tape off now. You know what I think, guys, in all seriousness? I think this thing is just a piece of fucking dog shit. Okay? I think that's just what it is, okay? It is what it is. It's crap, okay? It's just complete dog shit. Okay, there, the tape is off. Boy, this thing just will not sit still. I'm telling you, this optical flow sensor is why this thing flies like this. That's what I believe. Look how it just wants to, it's constantly, the optical flow sensor is constantly adjusting itself. Instead of it, you know, every time you move the stick, it wants to go try to find another position to sit at. Okay, well, it is actually hovering a little better since I took the tape off. So the tape was a no dice type thing. So we're gonna try the 360 thing again. See, when you do that, the altitude goes down too. I noticed that. It loses the altitude. You know, this thing could have been pretty decent, but they screwed up somewhere. Somewhere in the engineering, and it all went to hell in a handbasket. That's what I'm saying. It all went to hell. It just doesn't fly good, and it doesn't sit still at all. There it goes. It just flew away. Now I gotta go find it. Okay, I just hit the land button. It has no range. It has absolutely no range. It gets about 20 feet away from you and it's gone. You know, 20, 30 feet away and see you later. Okay, so you can fly this thing as long as you keep it within as far as you can take a piss. Okay, what you got to do is, before you fly the Wimius piece of dog shit, is take a piss. And as far as the water goes, that's how far you want to fly the Wimius. Okay, don't fly it any further than you can piss. What a piece of, you know, I'll tell you what, right now, I'm sending this out to Ryan Duvall. If I wasn't, God help me right now, I would stomp on this piece of fucking shit right now. Trust me. And you know, guys, you know I would too. This fucking piece of shit. Oh, this thing is so fucking frustrating. Oh, leave it to Beaver. Fuck. Okay, I've had enough of this fucking turd. Oh, fuck it. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.